Hello, Sheela.
Hello.
You've been promoting education for complexity in school and propose teacher training in this area. But why educate for complexity, and what do you exactly mean by that?
Educating for complexity simply means educating for real life, accompanying learners to understand, think and act in real life context, whatever be that context. You see, all stakeholders have been asking for it indirectly. Students, for example, say that 3/4 of what you learn in school is of no use in real life, so what's the point of it all? Teachers express their inability to deal with the real problems in their teaching and learning environments. Employers think that the education system does not prepare youngsters for the real needs of workplaces. In other words, all stakeholders are asking for skills to be able to understand, think and act in real life contexts.
And the real life context is complex, you mean?
Yes, of course. But what do we really mean by that? When you say a real life context is complex, what you mean is that in a real life context, you have several human and non-human elements that are ceaselessly and randomly interacting with each other, which results in change at all times. The only constant feature of any context is indeed change. Every now and then something new emerges, the unexpected happens, uncertainties prevail, contradictions arise, all of which trigger diverse reactions and emotions on the part of the people concerned. Diverse opinions, points of view, observations, all of which comes from each one's own life experiences, but that challenges the life experiences of others. Even soundly acquired knowledge by mankind often gets challenged in changing contexts. That's what a real life context is made of, and that's why you say it is complex.
So, what does educating for complexity consist of?
Well, it consists of enabling learners to understand how this whole that we call a context works, what characteristics, what principles, of making them aware of the factors that complexify this context and which I have just quoted. And finally, of enabling them to acquire the skills and reflexes needed in order to navigate through them and to accompany change in a manner that is positive for oneself, for the others, and for the planet.
So, would this be in addition to the already existing curricula?
No, absolutely not. There is no addition. Irrespective of the age group, the existing curricula and environments in school provide ample opportunities to integrate educating for complexity. Several mainstream teachers are already doing so and have extremely creatively invented, devised methods and approaches along the way.
Well, I'm curious to know more about this. If you too wish to know how to integrate educating for complexity in your classroom, then do check Sheela's answer to that question in the next video.